Oh my god. Manganganak na si Cassie. She's on labor. Another contraction. Then it stops, just like humans. And contraction again. Woohoo, here it comes. I've prepared food for her, so she can eat anytime. The labor is a little bit long. Wait until you see the baby kitten. Can you guess how many baby cats she will have? Kai's guess is 1. Sophia's guess is 4. Priscilla's guess is 3. Papa's guess is 2. And my guess it's 5. Let's see whose guess is right. She's now having another contraction. She opens her mouth maybe for breathing purposes. I can see she's in real pain right now. I remember when I gave birth, it was a tremendous pain. I guess I already see the kitten's head. Look at that, the baby cat is here. The mother cat is eating the placenta. Don't worry, it's normal, all cats do that. It's their way of cleaning, as well as licking the baby cat's body to clean and dry the baby. Cats have their instincts, too, on how to clean things up. This is amazing, God's creation and design of nature. If you think this video is inspiring, please leave a message or like and share this video. Follow as well for more videos. Thank you so much. And the winner is me. Cassie has 5 baby cats. So adorable little cats. That's all. Bye.